Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Headlight replacement, 2009 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to have to take the front assembly off here, so we'll be taking some pieces off here along this edge. Looks like a 10mm bolt or Phillips. Got some clips too. A little screwdriver. You get in there and pop it up. Alright, let's get started. Since I was here, I took that out. You got the wheel up in the air. You probably want to take the Phillips screw out of here. We'll turn this and disconnect that. Doesn't seem to be anything right there. Same on the other side, and if you have fog lights, you'll want to take the fog lights and disconnect them electrically from that. And this one's already been kind of messed with, boogered up. So we'll see that. And disconnect this here. Probably up here. Like that here. I don't know if that bolt was on the other side as well. Yep, 10mm. So we'll take those all out and see where we're at.
Matt goes, oh, I got that Paulson kit now. We could probably get him to do it in a couple hours. Oh, wow. All brake lights work. All before you Austin this thing. Brake lights work. That's a reference where Austin took the bumper cover off one of them and it had a crack and it ripped it too. Draft. I don't have a freaking draft.
Just gonna snap into place on the side here.
I've not seen any draft at my house. I better text him. You heard you brought your draft right away.
It probably has nothing to do with the fact that he didn't like high school graduation because
This just gets turned at 90 degrees. You turn it and pull the screw out. Little Phillips here. Little Phillips. Take that out of the top. This just turns and pulls out.
Well, the nice thing is,
4 10mm screws from below.
all I know is I don't care if my kids graduate or not. Whatever year they were supposed to graduate, I'm going to that during graduation.
Bolt. Bolt.
just gonna live long enough in this.
Slides into place.
Graduation. See you guys later. Dad, I didn't kind of drop out. Yep, one of your graduation. That's where you should be. Go on. Just remember this. 30 years down the road.
I was there, you weren't.
Maybe. This might be a bolt as well. Let's get it out. little bit of a friction fit there, so disconnect your connectors. Just gonna push down and pull most likely. Too much tension there. Push down and pull. Push down and pull. It's pretty much the same for all of them. I just can't do it one-handed. Screw, and you gotta lift it off the little nubby here. And screw, and then friction fit here. Headlight assembly removal, and replace it the same way. Put it back in, a new one probably. New one from Toyota, comes with all new bulbs already installed. And it snaps into place then. We'll bolt it all together. That's removing and replacing your headlight assembly in your 2009 Toyota Corolla, other model years. If what you see in the video looks like your car, it's probably going to work for you. If you are in fact putting on new headlight assemblies, you have to swap this over. I did not get one. It's right here. For that hole right there. These are little friction fits that you're pulling out here. Same on the other side. There's where your fog lamps would be. Connectors. That's really it. We'll just lay it up here and we'll push it back into place right up here on both sides. Couple eyelets, one on each side, kind of hold it in place. Has a little raised up section. That is really it. That's very common on cars nowadays, to have three little fingers of some kind that friction fit. Very easy.